Hello everyone and welcome back to my review. So today we're gonna unbox a lathi. I'm just kidding. It's a magic stick or I don't know what it's called actually. I'm just calling this a magic stick. So I got this from Dara's. My mom and dad bought this for me. So yeah. So today we're gonna unbox this and see what's in the magic stick really, and is it actually gonna work or something? I don't know. Let's check it out. Alright. So guys, now we've got some scissors and now this is gonna be easy to cut this open. Now let's do it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So let's cut this and I think we can get to it. And oh yes, this is it. Oh, covered in bubble wrap. So today I'm not gonna give that much attention to the bubble wrap, though it's kinda good, but no. So that's done. Now, oh, that's kinda Chinese packaging type of thing. Okay, that's kinda cool. Kinda cool, kinda cool. So now let's unbox this thing and see what's the staff gonna do. Staff or stick, whatever, magic staff. So let's open this thing up. And here it is. And warning, I don't think this is for children because this is pure made out of blades and stuff. I know it. So yeah, I unboxed this. Now I think I'm gonna show you this right now. I'm just gonna quickly go to my roof. And here am I, guys. So I'm gonna unbox this right now. I'm sorry, not unbox. I'm gonna show you use this thing. So yeah, I'm gonna try to show you guys this. Like the step was like if you press this button over here, and it's kind of sunny on the roof today, and I'm gonna try it right now. I'm trying. Okay, it takes a long time, and oh my god, it's not working. And any second now, why is this taking so long? Oh, and here it is, everyone. I don't think I caught it on camera that well. So next time I'm just gonna do it like another try if it comes on camera. Yeah. So yeah, do it in few seconds. So guys, I saw that the staff actually works. I thought if this true or not. Well, it works, but it's kind of sharp when you actually do it. So why isn't it working? Oh my god! Few seconds. Oh, and here it is. Saw this? So you can buy this if some young people are not around, like children 3 to 5 or something like that, 3 to 7, 8. I don't know. And I think this is for actually university teachers to show where they should read and stuff. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna use this that much, but this was awesome thing. Well, yeah. So I have the staff here. So I highly recommend to use this gloves. So this will be safer. You wear gloves because damn, this thing is sharp. So close this first. I don't know how to, but I will figure out. I know how to close it. It's not closing. Okay, now it's closing. Closing. This is my technique. So, oh my god. Oh my god. Here's it. And now here's the staff. You can use the same technique in every time? Well, you can do this. The awkward style. Wait a second, I have to do this. Oh! Oh my god. Guys, so wait a second. Wait. So you can see this thing is what can I say? It's scary. So I think this stuff is meant for professors like this. The projector is going to be here, and 2 plus 2 equals 4. They do this stuff on the projector with this. So the students can learn something when they go to college or university. So guys, now I have to say something. That this thing is not that good. For one thing, that I don't think this was meant for children, because I injured myself a lot of times using this. And if you want to see my injuries, nope, I'm not going to show you any, because all is in my hands. Oh my god. So for a few days, not a few days, only one day, I've been using spoons. I have to fix my hands in a few days. Actually, they will recover in a few days, I hope. The normal say in a few days, that's 100% accurate. So the first thing is, if you have children at home like me, so I highly recommend to buy them the paper one, because that will never hurt them. Never buy the metal one. This is like a normal stick made by metal. Very stupid. Give injuries.